How to change Facebook name font style. Firstly, you'll have to open your Facebook account. So simply open the Facebook app. And now after you log into your account on Facebook, you'll have to go with the options three lines. It will appear on the top right corner of the screen. So simply tap on it. And now from here, you'll have to scroll down and go with the options setting and privacy. And from here, you'll have to go with settings. Okay, so from here, you'll have to open your account center. So simply tap on the account center section. And now from here, click on profile. And again, click on your Facebook account. And from here, you have to choose name. Okay, so to change the first name or surname on your Facebook, you will have to clear it from here. And now to add a specific font whom you want to add on your Facebook name. So you have to back from here and open any browser on your system. So I'm opening the Chrome browser. Alright, so after opening a browser, you will have to type Facebook style name generator on the search field. So simply search it. Okay, so after you search the Facebook style name, you'll got a lot of options to change your font on your Facebook name. So choose any one of these. So I'm choosing this one. Okay, so from here you'll have to choose a specific font for your name. So simply I'm typing here my name. And from here you'll have to choose, like I will choose this one. Okay, so after you copied the name, you'll have to paste it to your Facebook account change settings. So simply back from here and paste that name here. Okay, so same as usual on the surname. Alright, so this is the easiest and simplest method to change your Facebook name with different font styles. So if you find this video helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon over there for more short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day.